Is hair loss affecting your look? Do you feel like you've lost an important part of yourself? You are tired of using expensive shampoos, medications, or even wigs just to find that your hair is still thinning? We have great news! Introducing a new technique designed to treat hair loss. Scalp micropigmentation is the best solution for you. This method was invented by doctors in the 80s and was modernized in the early 2000s and became the #1 treatment for all types of hair loss. How it works? Simply by using nanoneedles, a tiny amount of organic pigment are implemented under the skin where hair used to grow, making sure color, size, and pattern of pigment blends naturally. A perfect hair look is then created, which remains undetectable. We have perfected this treatment to give the most realistic result at the most competitive price. Our list of satisfied clients is proof of that. If you're ready to change your life, give us a call today.